What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use this BMW Digital Key Card, and it's really simple and easy to use. All we do is walk up to the car, we stick the key card in the door handle, and then that unlocks the car. Within 30 seconds, we have to take this key card, place it in the center console right on that pad there, press and hold your brake, and we can start the car. So that is how you use the digital key card, and you want to put that in the pad within 30 seconds or else it will not start up the car. To set up this key card, we go to Home on our menu, we go to Car, and we go to Settings, Doors and Access, BMW Digital Key, which is the first option, and then we have Key Card and Digital Key Active. You also have to have the original factory remote key fob in the car to activate and deactivate this. So right here, you would just activate digital key. Now this digital key usually comes in the glove box with the owner's manual in that booklet. So that is how you guys find that digital key in your car. To shut off the car, we simply grab our digital key, turn off the car like normal, and place it back into the door, and then tap on these ridges here, and that locks the door. So again, guys, that is how you use the BMW Digital Key Card. If you guys do have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Let me know what you guys think of this digital key. It's really good to use in a pinch and to leave in your wallet. If you guys found the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up, guys. Check out my channel for more car videos, especially on this BMW G20. I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.